Actually, nag-start din ako with the shadow technique since 2022 din. So parang yung shadow technique yung parang nag-jumpstart sa trading career ko. So ang masasabi ko na advantage ng shadow technique, beginner friendly kasi siya. Pwede siya gamitin kahit na wala ka pang deep knowledge with the forex industry. Since sa shadow, ibibigyan tayo ng mga signals ng bot natin when we can trade. And then from there, we just follow kung ano yung mga rules na meron sa shadow technique. Sa 4 years ko na ginagamit Actually, nag-start din ako with the shadow technique since 2022 din. So parang yung shadow technique yung parang nag-jumpstart sa trading career ko. So ang masasabi ko na advantage ng shadow technique, beginner friendly kasi siya. Pwede siya gamitin kahit na wala ka pang deep knowledge with the forex industry. Since sa shadow, ibibigyan tayo ng mga signals ng bot natin when we can trade. And then from there, we just follow kung ano yung mga rules na meron sa shadow technique. Sa 4 years ko na ginagamit yung shadow technique, fortunately, profitable naman siya. So going to 5 years na yung shadow technique namin, it's still nag-i-improve siya, ini-improve siya ng mga coaches natin.
Ang dali lang gamitin ng ng shadow technique kasi literal na susunod lang kayo. Level 5 pataas, tapos yun na, pwede na kayong mag-set ng mga TP ninyo. Sa katunayan, kahapon lang, Friday, nakapag-TP ako sa Pound USD.
Nag-join ako ng Traders PH kasi gusto ko siyang, yung free time ko is meron siyang ma-earn ako ng passive income. So about shadow technique, siya, reliable siya. Makita mo lang yung mga level niya na level 5 and then pwede mo na siyang i-enter tapos meron na siyang take profit. So napaka-newbie friendly ng shadow technique. So I really recommend yung shadow technique. Kasi kumikita ako sa pagsha-shadow ng mga pairs. And aside from that, nag-copy trade din ako ng Izanagi. So to maximize sa traders PH natin, yung mga nandoon. And now after this class natin, magjo-join na rin ako ng STM. And my other cousin, invite ko siya today and she will also enroll to our master class.
Traders PH app is here. Still trading on your own? It doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Traders PH. Connect with a community of Filipino traders sharing insights in real time. Learn through exclusive webinars and guided courses. Get alerts, strategies, and market updates right at your fingertips. Everything you need to grow in one powerful app. One app, one community, one journey. Traders PH app is here. Still trading on your own? It doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Traders PH. Connect with a community of Filipino traders sharing insights in real time. Learn through exclusive webinars and guided courses. Get alerts, strategies, and market updates right at your fingertips. Everything you need to grow in one powerful app. One app, one community, one journey. Traders PH app is here.
Actually, nag-start din ako with the shadow technique since 2022 din. So parang yung shadow technique yung parang nag-jumpstart sa trading career ko. So ang masasabi ko na advantage ng shadow technique, beginner friendly kasi siya. Pwede siya gamitin kahit na wala ka pang deep knowledge with the forex industry. Since sa shadow, ibibigyan tayo ng mga signals ng bot natin when we can trade. And then from there, we just follow kung ano yung mga rules na meron sa shadow technique. Sa 4 years ko na ginagamit yung shadow technique, fortunately, profitable naman siya. So going to 5 years na yung shadow technique namin, it's still nag-i-improve siya, ini-improve siya ng mga coaches natin.
Ang dali lang gamitin ng ng shadow technique kasi literal na susunod lang kayo. Level 5 pataas, tapos yun na, pwede na kayong mag-set ng mga TP ninyo. Sa katunayan, kahapon lang, Friday, nakapag-TP ako sa Pound USD.
Nag-join ako ng Traders PH kasi gusto ko siyang, yung free time ko is meron siyang ma-earn ako ng passive income. So about shadow technique, siya, reliable siya. Makita mo lang yung mga level niya na level 5 and then pwede mo na siyang
Alright, guys, magandang gabi sa lahat. Pa-confirm naman guys if naririnig nyo kami clearly. Pa-type dyan 1 or simply type loud and clear. Magandang gabi. Para sa mga nasa Pinas, magandang gabi. Para sa mga nasa outside Pinas, baka good morning pa. If you could just confirm guys if naririnig nyo kami clearly, pa-type naman there 1. Alright. Wala pang nagta-type guys. How
Gising!
about you, bro?
Gising!
Can you hear me? Okay, I can hear you clearly, brother.
Okay.
Good day. So at
Wala
least,
Wala nagta-type eh, baka tulog eh. Okay, Friday daw kasi Jay. Friday
night.
eh.
I
Nasa
think
gimikan yung iba.
may konting delay lang naman siguro. I think nag-type yan. Medyo nag-lag lang konti. Okay. Okay, ready na sila. Coach Jan, madami na nagta-type ng 1.
Nagulat ka ba, Jay? Sumigaw ako, Jay.
Oh, nagulat ako. Nagising ako bigla eh. All right.
Yeah.
Good evening
Jay,
sa
can you
lahat.
help me? Can you help me spread an email invite na we are just starting?
Ano yun, bro?
Pasend na lang ako ng email invite na we are already starting. Announcement.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So, kasi sobrang special. Pag ikaw yung guest, dapat ina-announce yan. Nag-spam. Oo, dapat ganun siya kalupit pag ikaw yung guest. 'Di ba? Tama ba? Okay, dapat
Grabe
pag si
naman.
Jay yung guest natin, dapat diretso. Oh, worth it dapat.
Wala.
'Di ba worth it? Narinig ba 'yun, no? Narinig ba yung ano ko? Yun, narinig yun, bro.
Yes, rinig naman.
May palakpak, bro. Ito, ano?
Wala
Ito,
ako
palakpak.
narinig ng effects. Wala.
Ito.
Aray ko.
Meron ganun.
Aray ko.
Oh.
Yan, may
Okay.
may tumatawa.
Very good. Ayan. Para gawin natin medyo puwela yung ano natin. Sige, so it's 8:36 in the evening. 40 is on the attendance. Baka at least buti na lang to recorded to. But of course, nevertheless, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Yan. Thank you so much for spending your important day with us, especially end of the week,
Yes.
no? Friday talaga ngayon. That's one. And gusto namin makilala more if you're from where right now. On a Friday night, nanonood ka. Tagasan ka nga if you can put it on the chat box. Ayan. Also, ayan, Rome 2:35. Okay. Ayan. So, recorded naman din to. I'm sure we will announce it after. Pero
Yes,
at least,
recorded.
no? At least we can important din kasi itong event na to. Yan. Yan naman natin. Yan. Alright, let's go. Ayan. So, tingnan na, batiin natin sila before we start, Coach Jay. While you're sending ako na, si Joe, taga Rome, Italy. Jay, pag napunta ka dyan sa Rome, Italy, Jay, saya dyan. Okay, puntahan niyo yan dyan. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Ivan, loud and clear, Taiwan. O si Rans ito. Rans, bakit yun nandyan ako sa Taiwan, hindi ka nag-message sa akin?
PC.
Oo, may nakipagkita sa akin, New Year na New Year, bro. Talagang naghihirapan kami. Hinatid pa ako. Ayan, Taiwan. Pero gusto kong pumunta dyan. Actually, di ba? Gusto nga natin pumunta dyan nasa team.
Yes.
Quezon
Yun yung
City.
naplano.
Ayan, si Miss Gracie Lin. Ayan, actually, one of the... O dapat Miss Gracie Lin sa August 21, okay? I-announce na yun this week. August 21, 22. Ganyan, naging ano ka, gumagano ka, Jay. Yung camera mo.
Parang ano ko bro, nagsha-shadow technique kasi to eh. Ayun,
Yung team kasi
nawawala ako guys. I think yung video card unfortunately nako. May pa special effects right
August
lang guys.
21. Okay, August 21 or 22, we will be in BGC. Lilipad po kami ni Coach Lloyd, for a whole day workshop. We will make sure for that month will be very, very good for us. No? So mga QC, mga taga QC, wag na po kayong lumayo ng 21 and 22. Kasi yearly meet up natin yan as a whole. So magkakaroon tayo ng workshop and mga events na get together. Lipad kami ng buong team, pati si Jay, papabulili pa rin ko, di ba? Luperio Tabuada, taga Cebu. Ayan, nasa SMC side ako. Brother kanina, by the way, nasa Cebu kami ni Jay. So, kita-kits din tayo, Luperio. Meron tayong event din sa 31 of July. Grabe, no? Sa Bay Hotel. Bumili ka na ng sarili mong buffet. Lahat ng itatanong mo doon. Market outlook. Palili pa rin ko si Coach Richard dito. We're gonna talk about Forex and trading. Rans, magpo-post ako. Friends naman na tayo sa Facebook. Ayan, Matrix. No, Jay, okay na? Ayan. Ito si Christopher, nagtatampo ako. Nag-announce ako sa Singapore. Hindi pumunta.
Huwag ka naman
Pito lang kami
magtampo.
doon. Pito kami, pero important people. Yun talagang hindi yun ang sabi ko. Di ba? And dumadami ka daw. Christopher, dati mo ako pinuntahan sa Singapore. Ayan, Japan, Singapore. Ito si Michael. Oh, sarap na usapan namin ng Singapore. Bulacan. Yan, oh. LA. Oh, may ano pala tayo. Ibang
Grabe no?
Dubai.
In
Yan,
fairness.
mga taga Cebu, Panabo. Ayan, dyan ako alam mo ba, Ruel, dyan ako nag-high school sa Davao. O, di ba? City High. 2003. 2001 to 2003. Ayan, dyan ako sa Buhangin, tumira. Pag-ibig, Buhangin. Good evening, Jet, di ba? So, Bisaya, sige. Yes, 31. May announcement na, bro. Okay. Actually, 2,200 nagiging ninja ka talaga, Jay. No? 2,500 yung buffet sa Bay Hotel. Sasagutin ni Traders PH yung 800. Grabe naman. No? Si Lloyd si Jay yung magbabayad kaya nandito siya. Joke na. Okay.
Baka hindi nila
Aray
mag-join.
ko! Okay. Actually, gusto lang namin mag-dinner. Gusto lang namin kayo isama. Okay. Gusto lang namin kayo isama. But nevertheless, ikaw pala yung Christopher. Kaya pala ako hindi sinilpot nung sa Singapore kasi nasa Cebu ka tama. I saw you sa Manyaga with your family. Ayan, nice to see you, bro. Nice to see you. Mayong gabi, Coach Jay and from SG. Ayan, si James. Ang tagal namin nag-usap yan. Yun yung pinakamaagang punta sa Singapore. Sarap kausap ng mga taga Singapore. So, gusto ko yung mga ibang nasa UAE, yan, yung mga nasa Dubai, mapuntahan na natin yan. Of course, yung mga taga Manila. Yeah, pasok na. Jay, okay ka na? Na-transform ka na ng ninja mo.
Oh bro, sige lang guys, disregard nyo na lang yung
Okay.
ano mo tawag dyan, Super Saiyan. Importante yung naman, audio clear.
Yung audio, okay. Yan, 55 na tayo, Jay. Ayan, okay na tayo. Okay na, marami na tayo. So, let's start. Okay, so this is one of the most highlighted event of the year. Kasi, alam nyo bang tinataon namin na July dapat ang mga mean reverting strategies talaga. Okay, kaya tinataon namin July, August, September. Kasi this is the months wherein mas marami siyang shadow, mas mean reverting markets, mas ito lang para may kasama ko kasi kanina si my team, sabi niya, bro, pag sa STM tsaka sa shadow, anong mga months ko iiwasan para mababa yung drawdown ko, di ba? So sabi ko, actually ngayon yung pinakamaganda na maraming level 5, mas active yung market pero hindi ka dun ka dangerous compared to November, December, May. Would you agree, Jay? Di ba?
Yes, totally.
Yung December talaga yung medyo November, December no, yung medyo talagang parang yung mga level 5 or mga level 7 mabagal mag-retrace. Kaya tinataon namin na ito yung opportunity na after May, yung market talagang hindi one direction, which is very, very good to our strategies. Wherein we saw also that even yung mga nagsusuper high risk, like example, I have a client, nag 20x multiplier, wag niyong gagayahin to ha, disclaimer, wag niyong gagayahin. Okay, 20x multiplier siya sa isang account niya in 2 weeks 100% to. Tapos buhay hanggang how many months. Butas nalaman namin, sinabihan namin siya, binalik niya. So pero ang bilis talaga kasi sobrang mean reverting, natataon. And this is the time. Kaya pinag-uusapan tong mga STM, shadow, ito, yan. Kaya very, very important to. Kaya please, listen. Type 100 if you're all ready. Ayan. Of course, ang gusto namin i-share is ano yung updates and why is it powerful and why after launching the Shadow Pro, how do you start it with my settings? Then you can create on your own. Jay, I'll start no ako muna, no? Yan. So magandang
Yes.
gabi again sa lahat. Shadow Technique and Shadow Pro is two different is one but two different styles. And yung goal namin dito, sinong wala pang Shadow Pro type 10? Sinong mga naka Shadow Pro type 100, di ba? Di ba? Ayan. Yung mga naka Shadow Pro, grabe yan. Si Ruel, si Grace, si Rolando, Eloisa, yan, Nilo, o di ba? O, yan, yung mga type 10 kung wala kang Shadow Pro para alam ko paano mo ma-appreciate to, ma-introduce ko. Alright. Tapos si mga nag 100 naman, babanatan kayo ni Coach Jay ng mga malulupit na setting. Tsaka settings ko din. Kaya pala gold magulo. Yeah. Tingnan mo si gold, di ba? Kala mo breakdown. Yung pala, nag-sideways pa rin. Di ba? Nag-breakdown ng supports, binalik lang. O, di ba? Kasi medyo mean reverting yung mga pairs. Yan, may top 10, type 10. Okay. Sige. Bigyan na natin ng introduction muna. Ano bang pinagkaiba ni Shadow Pro at ni Shadow Technique? Okay lang ba sa mga naka-Shadow Pro na? And this is also, kanina kasi Jay, magkakasama kami nila Val, nila Mighty. Na pinag-uusapan namin about negosyo. And then, doon ko siya gusto i-intro. Okay? How do we make Shadow Pro a business? How do we make Shadow Technique a business? How do we relate it to a business? If
Treating it like
nagsha-shadow
a
technique
business.
ka, oo. If nagsha-shadow technique ka plus may Shadow Pro, actually you are the owner of the business. Paano? Okay? Ito, anyway, ang gustong-gusto ko siya Shadow Technique na very, very inspired din ako, Jay, to share, no? Because of Shadow Technique, before sa mga gumagamit at hindi pa gumagamit ang Shadow Technique, yun nga, so I had that project last year as an introduction na aside from being a business, it could really give you a less stress strategy. Kasi compared to gold, mas shaky yung equity ko eh. Ito basta makuha mo lang yung settings na gusto mo, basta makuha mo lang yung mabatuhan mo lang ng maayos yung automated trading mo plus your shadow. Sobrang gandang potential niya. And this is just one of those port that I had last year na project ko talaga is birthday kasi ng youngest daughter ko and gusto nila mag Disney cruise. Syempre pinagandaan ko yung Singapore. O kaya minute ko na rin sila James doon. Okay, kasi punta ako doon. Okay, para di naman sa akin talagang isang araw doon minute ko sila. Pero the purpose of me going Singapore last month was really to celebrate the birthday of my daughter. And what really inspires me more is, wow, nakuha ko pala siya from trading. And this is because of Shadow Technique. Wala pa tong Shadow Pro. Meaning, hindi ko masyadong min-utilize si Shadow Pro. And na-realize ko, when I withdraw the profit, wow, okay, almost libre na pala yung naging profit ko on that. And that's one project na ginagawa naman natin sa negosyo. Now, how do we relate the Shadow Technique into a business so that pag nagkaroon tayo ng mga project like this to our family, to our household, libre bigas, libre kuryente for a year, libre whatever that you want to do as a project, you will now be the business owner. Okay? In a combination that you already know Shadow Technique and Shadow Pro on this webinar. Let's say, negosyante ka. O sino yung mga nagnegosyo dyan? Type 10. Kaya nga pinag-usapan namin diversify to business. Yung mga yung mga ano kasi maraming negosyo, ano, marami talaga silang negosyo. And na-realize ko para kang 'pag nag-shadow pro ka pala tsaka plus shadow technique, you're actually like a businessman. Okay? Paano ka nagiging businessman? Ikaw yung shadow technique user. Okay? Ikaw rin yung negosyante. Example, gusto mo mag-open ng coffee shop, resort, hotel, 'di ba? Tapos gusto mo mag-open, parang masarap yata mag-open ng, katulad yung isang friend kong kasama ko nga kanina, open sila ng tar business, right? Yung isang ano naman, isa is gusto nilang magnegosyo ng taxi. Mga usapan din kanina is how to yung maximize yung mga pickleball courts, 'di ba? Sa Cebu madaming pickleball courts. Diyan, 'di ba sa inyo? Sobrang daming pickleball courts, 'di ba? Pero ang kagandahan nito ng related dito is yung moving parts ng negosyo na yun ang nakakapagod, right? Yung nakakapagod, gusto mo magnegosyo pero ayaw mo mapagod. Tapos sa dami ng gusto mong ima-manage, itong mga 'to, it's like the pairs, yung mga pairs natin, yung mga ODCAD, 'di ba? Okay. Ikaw as a business owner, pipiliin mo na lang negosyong gusto mo. Etong i-di-discuss namin sa inyo, yung mga naka-shadow pro is like the manager of the businesses. Okay, tama ba? Like kanina, hanggang ngayon, when I turn on we had the GBP CAD, no? Pag turn on, paggising ko may $300, $600, no? Siya nag-o-auto manage, siya nagma-manage for me. It's like yung coffee shop business na gusto ko, o di instead na profits na maraming moving parts, goods and services, basta ang daming moving parts. Pareho lang naman ang end up, kita pa rin. Yung Shadow Pro is ima-manage niya 'tong lahat ng negosyo na 'to for you. Okay. Itong mga 'to, it's like yung mga, in a way, mga pairs mo. Example, sabihin natin may negosyo kang milk tea. Oh, gusto mo open ng milk tea. 'Pag open mo ng milk tea, ilalagay mo dun si Shadow Pro. O ikaw na mag-manage niyan, 'di ba? Open ka ng hotel, mas malaking kapital, lagay mo ng kapital. O sabihin mo kay Shadow Pro, ikaw na mag-manage niyan. And that's the power of something, the Shadow Pro that we were actually gonna teach you, and later papakita ni Jay pa more yung different settings, and later papakita pa more ano yung mga pwede niyong ma-maximize there, especially ngayon na napakagandang opportunity ngayon. Maganda mag-open ng negosyo in a way, no? But as an introduction, so for those na wala pa naka-Shadow Pro, ito kasi yung typical day namin mga Shadow Technique user. Kasi si Shadow Technique user sobrang dali na gamitin, 'di ba, Jay? Sobrang dali niyang gamitin.
Super.
'Di ba? Manonood ka titingin ka ng signal, mag-o-open ka ng trade, imo-monitor mo, 'pag may drawdown, mase-stress ka ng konti. 'Di ba, mase-stress ka ng konti. Lalo na 'pag may mali kang ginagawa, 'di ba? Do'n ka mase-stress ng konti do'n, eh. With the Shadow Pro, ang kagandahan niyan is ni-eliminate niya lahat. Pero before you appreciate that, ito kasi yung ginagawa ng mga Shadow Technique user. Number one, we have the filter stage. Okay? Titingnan na on a daily basis, titingnan namin, may notification ba si Traders PH app? Meron. May email ba? Tingnan kami sa MT5 account. Open namin, may signal. Sa dami ng negosyong, example, mga negosyo yun yung mga isipin. Ang daming pwedeng negosyo ngayon, Ang daming pairs na pwede may trade. May GBP CAD, may GBP odd, no? Hanggang ngayon hindi pa nati-TP. Ano pa ba isa? Euro GBP level 5, no? Yun na lang isipin namin, worth it ba siyang pasukin ngayon? Ngayon, since newbie ka or may experience ka, you already know what to pick. Kasi bibigyan ka ng introduction, right? Ngayon, ang ginagawa namin after nating lahat is we're gonna enter one trade. Okay, ito yung ayaw na ayaw ng ate ko, eh. Feeling ko nandito rin yung ate ko, no? Pag enter niya ng one trade, okay, set siya ng limit orders plus minus, minus 20, compute pa yan ng sa calculator. Sino yung gumagamit ng nagsusulat? Yan, susulat kayo. Sino yung nagsusulat sa shadow technique nyo? Or mabilis kayo mag-utak, ganyan. Or you're using MT5 on limit orders. Yung iba, kasi before, pag MT4 ka, may plus minus. So, lagyan mo ng TP. Ang nakakainis doon, isa lang yung level 5 tas matitipi kaagad. Siyempre akala mo i-close mo na naman lahat. O sa nagbe-level 5 na naman, limit ka na naman, walang tinamaan sa ibang limit orders mo. buburahin mo na naman, di ba? Entry stage. Ganun buhay namin eh, di ba? Okay? Ngayon, if hindi pa natitipi, that's where the monitor stage comes in, no? You will monitor it, natitipi na ba? Hindi. Now, pag nag-drawdown for those advanced users, ito yung inano nyo. Ano bang gagawin ko pag nag-drawdown ng ganitong percentage? Anong level na ba ngayon? Magka-cut loss ba ako? Magbe-break even ba ako? Isa-scalp ko ba siya? No, may konting excitement siya. Pero in a way, ito na yung mga ginagawa natin on a normal level. Right? O, tama ba? Ito ba yung ginagawa nating lahat? Type 100 on the chat box. With the Shadow Pro, ito na lang yung gagawin mo. Okay? Kung hindi ka pa nagsha-Shadow Pro, this is where I really appreciate it much. Lalo na ngayon na I'm really nag-scale ako ng capital. Nag-scale ako ng capital. Tatlong account na may Shadow Pro, isang account na with friends, dalawang account na sa akin. So basically, filter stage ka na lang, wala na 'to lahat. You press it on your mobile phone. Okay, yung mga may mga Shadow Pro pero sa computer pa kayo, actually pwede niyong gamitin sa mobile phone. Okay, kaya mag-schedule kayo kay Jay ng one-on-one or probably we can release a video how to buy or install a VPS kung di ka marunong bumili ng VPS. Or we can schedule a call with you on how can we help you install it to your VPS, no? Na hindi mo kailangan na sa cellphone. Mag-invest ka lang more ng tools on that. Okay? So basically, tinatanggalan ni Shadow Pro itong mga to. Dito ka na lang. Worth it ba yan pasukin? O sige, pasukin ka na. The rest, wala ka nang gagawin after. Alright? So, dun pa lang, sa mga nagsha-Shadow Pro, at madali na ba siya? Ano experience nyo? Sa mga nagsha-Shadow Pro, if Shadow Trader Manager Pro, if may one word about your experience with Shadow Pro, ano yung one word na yun? Sa mga hindi pa nagsha-Shadow Pro at naka-Shadow Technique ngayon, mas pinadali ba? Yan, mas pinadali ba? Ayan. Just an introduction lang para alam namin kung
Yes, guys.
para maintindihan nyo anong pinagkaiba ng Shadow Technique at Shadow Pro. I'll give more examples while waiting. Okay, while waiting. With Shadow Pro, ito yung gagawin mo. With the filter stage, check ka lang na account, titingnan mo kung worth it pasukin. Bahala ka na, i-check mo na lang siya. Instead of entry stage tsaka monitoring stage, command stage ka na. Ikaw na yung parang pinaka-may-ari ng multiple business, lalo na pag may multiple pairs kang tinitrade. Example,
Correct.
sabihin natin may negosyo kang coffee shop, tapos ayaw mo yung drawdown. O Shadow Pro, auto-manage mo na ngayon for me. O example naman ito isa, parang feeling ko pupunta to sa trend na gusto ko. Pero gusto ko i-maximize mo nga Shadow Pro yung trade ko. Ito turn on mo lang yon, siya na bahala. Shadow Pro, masyadong mataas din drawdown. Can you break even that? Uutusan mo na lang siya, guys. Actually, next project ni Jay dyan, sound command na eh. Kaya mo ba, Jay?
Voice command, no?
Okay.
Para si Jarvis lang.
Parang Jarvis ka na lang. Shadow Pro, sabihin mo sa kanya, ang lupit kung ganun, no? Sabihin mo sa kanya, no, okay, turn on auto drawdown management, no, di ba? Ganun.
Correct. Saya nun.
Naman ganun, no? So basically,
But that's
ako
the
personally,
future.
on my experience, ba't wala nagtatype ng experience nila with Shadow Pro if may one word? Alright? It unlocks for me more time. Okay? More time and more
freedom,
focus on
oh.
other assets. Hindi ko na kasi kailangan
Totally.
monitor ng totally yung Shadow Technique ko. Kasi when I enter a trade, siya na bahala with my Forex. At least nakafocus ako on learning gold more, on learning Nasdaq more, or learning silver more.
Tama.
No, 'di ba? Nagiging command manager na lang ako. I command what Shadow Pro does to me. So, yun yung mga different setting na napakaganda that I really appreciate with Shadow Pro. Kasi sobrang advantage na. And now, last. Okay? Bakit siya ginawang easier and better for traders? Ito na lang yung last before I show you my setting, before Jake steps in, no? Ito yung advantages na wala if you're just a normal shadow user. Alright? I'm not saying na binibilittle natin yung mga normal shadow user kasi actually advantage ka na dyan over other communities. Kasi sa other communities, wala kang makikitang years of experience. Si Daryl, congratulations, nakita ko yung video niya. Imagine mo 4 years na siya, 5 years na siya. Saka nakakitang member na 4 years, 5 years, sasabihin niya profitable siya. 'Di ba? And I'm really proud of that, no? If you're here, Daryl, no, na 5 years, hindi maliit yung kapital pa niyan. Okay? Wag niyo lang uutangan si Daryl, ha? Wag niyo utangan. Okay? Pero ang point ko diyan is 4 years, 5 years profitable using shadow technique, 'di ba? Wala ko pa ako nakikitang ibang community na may ganong sinabi sa akin. But since advantage na siya with shadow technique, ito pa yung pinaganda with Shadow Pro. The other advantage is you are actually protected with market crash. Okay? Kasi may advanced entry setting siya eh. Ikaw nagli-limit order. So pag may market crash yan, kuha lahat plus drawdown. So yung drawdown mo, snowball. Yung mga naka-Shadow Pro protected on that. Kasi pwede namin utusan kagad. Second is pwede naming may mga market crashes lalo na mga opening ng sessions. Kaya naming auto adjust yung next level automatically. Alright? Yun yung isa, advantage namin, no? Na mga naka-Shadow Pro. Number 2 is that relates to the too close position. Dahil since na mga naka-Shadow technique na users is limit on the pip interval settings lang, yung to be honest, yung lot size nyo, yung pip intervals nyo, too close to one another. Kasi nga, plus the spread pa eh. Kami, dynamic. Okay, dynamic versus the volatility. So example kami, 30 pips, sinabi ko kay Shadow Pro, itong pair na to, dapat 30 pips ka. Minimum lang niya yun. Okay, so yung drawdown namin, maliit. Kasi pag pumitik yung volatility niya, the advantage of Shadow Pro, pwede kasi niyang i-extend to 50 pips yung next level. So, which is wala ka as a shadow technique user. Alright? Last but not the least is pag nag-drawdown kami, relax kaming lahat. Okay? Kung kayo nasa-stress kayo sa GBP odd, kami hindi. GBP ka hindi. Kasi kanina, ito. Yung isa kong account, may isa kaming account, 30k USD, friends namin. Giniri din nung isa kong kaibigan. GBP CAD, pumasok ng level 2, level 3. Tapos, binato niya kagad Jay ng 0.25 per
20. Yeah, something ganun.
0.20 per 01. So basically parang lalabas 'yun 1,000 per 01. Super high risk. Okay, umabot kami ng mga 18% drawdown. So ngayon, sabi ko, sige pag umabot na yan ng 15% drawdown, ito turn on ko, sabihin ko na kay Shadow Pro, ikaw na mag-manage niyan. At least din ako nasa-stress, di ba? Tapos 3 million, kano ba yun? 2 million pesos yung laman, almost 2. So, sabihin ko na lang, sige, auto drawdown management mo na yan. Hindi ko na kailangan scalp from the top, hindi ko na yung monitor. Tapos 7 digits na ano ba. Sabi ko, sige, scalping mo. Sabihin ko kay Shadow Pro, turn on ko. So, turn on ko na. Bro, ang lupit. Nagulat din ako. Yung unang auto drawdown management niya, congratulations, ang galing talaga, Jay. I'm really, really happy with this. While I'm forward testing. First TP niya, bro, $1,300. Tapos the following day, since in-scalp niya yung levels, kasi taas na, 18% drawdown na kami. Nung bumaba ng konti, tinipi niya 1,200. Tapos nung umangat ulit ng konti, kumuha ulit siya, tapos 300 na naman. Tapos hanggang kumukuha siya. So basically, parang in just 1 month, almost 10% kami, isang pair pa lang. So sulit yung naging drawdown niya kasi minanage pa niya. Right? So pag nag-reverse yung GBP CAD, since naka-exit na si Shadow on that, if I'll turn on the trail stop, pwede pa niyang sakyan yung trend. So mamamaximize niya yung management features. And what I did there, wala akong ginawa. Wala talagang ginawa. So, dun pa lang, parang, sabi ko, Jay, parang ano tayo dito parang sobrang generous natin how we really give it to our members. Parang sobrang kung Excellence Traders PH, excellence, grabe yung ginawa mo dito. By the way, si Jay yung author nito Bigyan mo na naman 100 si Jay o 1,000.
$1,000 ba guys? GCash or Maya?
1,000 on the chat box for
Chatbox lang para sa chatbox, guys.
making Shadow Pro, no? Nangyari lahat ng management ng pwedeng gawin talagang ginawa ni Jay. Bigyan niya naman si Jay ng 1,000 para ma-excite. Kasi ako na-excite ako eh. Okay, na-excite ako.
And we're
Ayan,
we're not
no.
done yet. Charot, di ba?
Di ba?
May mga
Wala
ganun
pang
tayo,
done,
guys.
di ba? Yung pa
We're not
done,
done
yung
yet.
pa done.
Yes.
Oh, i-appreciate niyo si Jay. Sobrang lupit. Kaya sabi ko, sige, tutukan natin tong Shadow Pro, yung mga meron dito, magsha-session tayo dito. Once a month, especially with the members of the Shadow Pro, para mas ma-appreciate nila more. Okay, anyway, this is just one of my forward testing. Nung nag-start ako, kasi yung una maliit lang ng capital, I started with $2,000. Then in-scale ko siya to 10K USD. Then I have another account na friends nga kami na 2 million. So, tingnan mo gaano ka steep yung equity curve. 'Di ba? Tapos, ang malupit pa dyan, nito, hindi pa ganun ka-active ako How I active on this one. Parang relaxed pa to. Hindi ko pa to siya ginagrind. Pero look at the drawdown versus the gain. Okay, on my parang in-scale ko yung capital. And what I want to highlight here is per month, 1 or 2 trades lang ako. And I earn $300 to $400 a month for this capital. Tapos the drawdown, which is my capital safe, very, very safe. Kasi kaya ako nga Shadow Pro para relax ako tapos tataas ako yung drawdown. Parang hindi naman ganun. Parang hindi siya align. Alright? So, before ni Jay i-present yung mga, di nyo naman binigyan ng 1,000 sa chatbox si Jay. Ako na lang.
Uy, madami na, bro. Umabot na ng 1
Marami?
million. Oo,
Okay.
umabot na ng 1 million.
Ako sobrang
Thank you,
appreciate ko
Katipi.
yung ginawa ni Jay. Thank you. Alright, ito lang. Can you see my slide, Jay? Sa 1 click?
Yes. Clear.
Alright,
Yeah,
so
one click,
this
yes.
is what I want you guys to notice. July pa lang. July, okay. I only have 2 trades. Okay. Tapos isang pindot lang yun. So, ibig sabihin, pinili ko yung GBP CAD, isang pindot. GBP odd, isang pindot. Then siya na bahala sa lot size. Siyempre, yung lot size, ako na nagde-dictate ko anong gusto niyang, paano niya i-manage. Like example, I started with 0.5. Later, i-explain ko siya. Pero the message that I want you to get from here is from my mobile phone, I just pressed 1 click. And then it turns into money. It turns into management of my drawdown. It turns into managing in a way, a business. Okay? If you're trading a business, this is the business that I want. Kaya nga yung kaninang pinag-uusapan namin about negosyo, management ng, sabihin natin, sample, taxi. Maghahanap ka pa ng driver, mga sira. Ano pa yung mga nakikita doon? Ano pa yung isa? Sa may charge yung EV, sa may papark yung kotse. Paano insurance? 'Di ba? May money siya. Pero the point is parang ang dami kong ginawa bago ko nakuha yung pera. But what I like about trading is if you turn it to business, it goes to show na may kita siya. May possible earnings same as business, but it unlocks a lot of your time and hindi ka stress. Okay? Hindi ka more na sa stress. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin dyan, i-manage siya na maayos. Magkano capital lalagay mo? It's like opening a business. Ayaw mo mag-open ng negosyo, stress ka, pero at the end of the day, gusto mo rin kumita. And what I like about Shadow Pro, it goes back in just a click. It really turns my life differently. Iba talaga yung impact sa akin on this. So, basically, basta tama lang yung lot size na sinet ko sa kanya, basta tama lang yung rules ko sa kanya, which is ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. And from there, okay, kung anong profit ibigay ng market, that's it. It's like a business. Hindi naman all the time may customer ka. Hindi naman all the time kita ka. Di ba? So, kasi perspective mo, negosyo siya. Pero wala kang moving parts. Ikaw lang ang pumindot, isa. Tapos may taga-manage ka. That's how I look at it. And that's where I want you to bring Shadow Technique and Shadow Pro perspective. Hindi lang earnings. Kasi earnings can of course magiging different siya if iba din yung agenda mo. Example, gusto mo kagad mabilis. Lalaki mo talaga lot size, pero stress ka. Di ba? O, dapat balance lang ang ibig ko sabihin. So, how do I do it? No, ito lang. And this is just what I want you guys to look into. 1 click, 2 trades a month. Siya nag-trade nung, sabihin natin, April, May, June, July, 4 months. Sabihin na 2 clicks, siya na nag-trade ng 90. Ako, participation ko lang doon, 10. O, itong trades na yan, 10 lang sa akin, 100 sa kanya. Ganun, di ba? Pero yung win rate niya, 81, 57, right? Tapos profit factor niyan, taas. Kasi mababa yung drawdown eh. Now, this is my setting before I turn you to Jay is, number 1 priority ko is I want to relax. Kasi malaki naman yung capital yung lalagay. Ayoko mang madaliin. This is for people na you want your trading relax at the same time kumikita ka and focus on other assets na you can really earn big through your own effort. Okay? Meaning, ang ginawa ko dito is 2,000 per 01. So kung may 20k USD ako, dapat maximum noon 0.20. Okay, clear ba tayo doon?
Clear,
Alright, hindi
clear.
500 per 01. Alright? So ang ginawa ko dito guys, kung meron akong 20k USD, kung $22,000 yan, hindi ko i-greedy. 01 lang yung starting niya. Kasi nga relax. O di ba dapat bombahan mo na lang kapital. Yung sakto pa din sa planning. Alright? May entry. I entry if level 3. Kasi ayokong umentry ng level 3 before as a normal shadow user. Kasi 75 pips, parang 15 pips, 18 pips lang yung makukuha mo dun eh. 'Di ba? Pero with the Shadow Pro, why not? 'Di ba? 18 pips pa din 'yun. Pero isang pindot lang ako. So pag mean reverting pair like OddCAD, NCD CAD, Odd NZD, Euro CHF, yung mga yan, mga mean reverting pairs, okay lang na pinapasok ko ng level 3. Binababa ko lang yung lot size. Binababa ko lang yung lot size. Okay, since mga 10k USD naman yan, di gagawin kong 0.02 sa 10k USD. 'Di ba makaka-entry pa ako sa iba. Alright, level 5 pa din ako papasok. Depends on what I want to achieve. Pero the point is after that wala na. Okay? So ngayon, instead of 20, ginawa ko siyang 25. Yun lang ginawa ko para mababa yung drawdown, okay lang. Hindi mag-snowball yung drawdown sa akin kasi I want it relax. And then Jay, change natin yung iba to 30 to 35. Okay, na-realize ko. Okay, hindi pa lahat naka-change. Okay, hindi pa lahat. I-change ko na lang, ako na. Okay, dito. Alright? So, ganun lang as recommended. And then, ito lang yung key, ito lang yung difference ko siguro sa other users. I have this rule. When it have a drawdown of 10%, 15%, I aim for break-even. I aim for cut loss. I aim for, ito yung pinaka-key para hindi kayo masunog, hindi kayo matalo at the end of the year. Okay? Maging relax. How? Even you're a shadow technique user, relax lang. Okay? May kinabukasan. Hindi dahil sobrang dami mong trades, malaki yung kita. Okay? 'Di ba? What you can do is to, when you reach a certain drawdown, you create a rule. Example on my part, 15% I step in. Okay, parang example, sabihin natin, balikan nating negosyo. Manager, iniwan ko sa example, sa coffee shop. Sabi niya sa akin, sir, wala pa tayong nagbenta. I step in. Paano kita tutulungan ng bumenta? Diba? Example, sabihin natin, sir, ang daming customer dito sa hotel. I step in as an owner of the business. Okay, ito gawin mo. So, in trading, pag nakita ko na may 15% drawdown siya, I turn on the auto drawdown management. Depends on my perspective. Sige, break even mo na. Ayoko na ng pair na yan. Break even mo na or i-cut loss mo, ganito. Pero, muna, I turn on the auto management. Kasi actually, sa auto management, I was expecting it i-cut loss or i-break even niya. Pero malupit doon, pinapa-profit pa niya ako. Yun yung matindi doon. Alright? So, it actually turned my advantage to the profit na side. Alright? Yun yung isa. So, one it reach a certain drawdown, you create a rule on that, turn on the auto drawdown management, then focus. Now, ito yung matindi na part. This is where the growth comes in. Kasi ito parang to sobrang ano na to, sobrang parang easy peasy yung Shadow Pro. Yung profits ko from Shadow Pro, Shadow Technique ko, pinupull ko yan. Nilalagay ko yan sa mga courses na binibili ko. Nilalagay ko yan sa budget ko for gold. May $1,000 budget ako for gold. Doon ako magbobomba ng mga high risk. Alright? Sa mga high risk in approach. Kasi pag nasunog yung 1,000, kita lang naman yung from the Shadow Pro. Kita ko lang naman from my other business. Walang risk for me. So example, ikaw, meron kang $5,000 tapos kumita si Shadow Pro ng $500. O di yun yung pang masterclass mo. O di yun yung pang gold mo habang nag-aaral ka ng gold lang. E di yun yung pang ano mo, pang indices mo na hindi mo pa alam. Pero walang talo sa'yo. Wala kang lose. Kasi kinita mo lang naman sa isang pindot ka lang naman sa kabila. Diba? Nothing to lose ka. Pero may natututunan ka, knowledge. So, my principle is, I want to be as relaxed as possible kasi sa dami ng minamanage nating accounts or personally ako, yung mga malalaking accounts, dapat relax na yan. Kung may pumasok na money dyan, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 bonus na for me. Parang masaya na ako doon. Alright? Pero gagrind ko doon from my maliit na capital kasi high risk yun eh. High risk means high potential of losing your money. And you put a small account on that, na may natututunan ka. O pag natalo yung $1,000 na budget ko, I stop. Pero hindi ako stress, kahit hindi ako nasunog. Pero kasi libre lang naman yun from my previous account. Kung kumita, o dagdag ko ulit kay Shadow Pro. Di ba? Is that something na medyo parang, o nga no? Kayo? Can I have that on the chat box? O nga no? Pwede palang ganun? Oo, pwede yun. Remember, before I turn it over to Jay, na mapapakita ni Jay sa inyo, ano yung mga settings na dapat nyong i-focus, is remember, a trader who is more relaxed is more, based on studies, a trader who is more relaxed is actually in the zone. In the zone of what?
Agree.
Making profit. In the zone of what? Managing drawdown because you can decide when you are needed. Yung stress na manager, nagme-make yan ng wrong decision. Ikaw yung manager, ikaw yung may-ari eh. Right? O ikaw na yung may-ari, dapat relax ka para alam mo ano nangyayari or on top of things. You have multiple business eh. That you have multiple pairs. May gold ka pa. Diba? Nag-aaral ka pa. O dapat relax ka para pag nag-step in ka, okay, ito na yung gagawin ko. Kasi pre-planned na siya lahat.
Tama.
Alright? So, please take a screenshot of this. I'll turn you over to Jay so that you will appreciate more yung mga pinagsasabi ko about the features. When you open your Shadow Pro, you will see it. But before we go there, bigyan niyo ulit ng isang 1,000 si Jay kasi sobrang appreciated ko when he released the Shadow Pro. Yan. Thank you. Go ahead, Coach Jay.
Okay. Guys, screen share lang ako. Okay. Pero nakikita niyo yung slide, no? Okay na? Okay, nakikita mo yung slide. Okay. So, let me start with this slide. Okay, your entry or management. So, the very idea lang here is that if you're a beginner trader, no, and you're looking for the best possible trading opportunity, what we want to happen is you're able to make your entry, and then Shadow Trade Manager will be able to manage that trade for you. So when we say our management here, kung ano yung mga trade management ng mga leaders, ng mga coaches, or anything na magpapaganda sa outcome ng mga trades natin, yun yung gusto nating ma-apply. And we were able to find a way, no, na ma-implement siya to other people as well, na ma-replicate sa inyo, especially for the beginner traders. So for the beginner traders, it is as if you have a professional trade manager sitting beside you 24/7. Maganda ba yun? Sino yung mga beginner traders dito? Okay, so may assist na kayo. Okay? In terms of trade management. Okay, this is not to say na you can trade blindly and let your assistant, Shadow Trade Manager Pro, do the heavy lifting. So hindi siya ganun pa din, guys. The idea is that the energy, the mental energy, the physical energy na ini-invest natin sa trade management, we want to remove those, no? And instead invest more mental energy, focus sa paghahanap ng mga better trades, better entries. That's the idea. Now, para naman sa mga experience na ng mga traders, what we have envisioned is Shadow Trade Manager will be able to automate those repetitive tasks, okay? Faster and without emotion. Kasi as experienced as we are, there will be times na sasabihin natin, susulat natin sa trading plan, trade management plan natin, ito yung gagawin ko. But then you will find yourself, siguro maybe because you're hearing different sentiments, you're looking at the charts, tapos masasabi natin, parang ayoko na mag-hold ng trades, or parang gusto ko pa rin mag-hold ng trades. So parang there will be times na instead of you just following your rules, you're guessing na, no? And what we want to happen is that kung ano yung rules mo, kung ano yung na-set mo na setting sa trade management mo, it will be followed, okay? Through Shadow Trade Manager Pro. Okay? So be it a beginner trader or an experienced trader, Shadow Trade Manager will be able to help you. And again, as mentioned by Coach Jan, no, Shadow Trade Manager, it's a trading tool. All right? And being a trading tool, it will be a lot more effective. Okay? Kung yung gagamit, alam din niya kung paano siya gamitin effectively and kung paano siya gamitin properly. Okay? And that's the reason why we have mga sessions like this. We had mga live onboarding sessions in the past, recorded sessions, because we want you to be familiarized and master those settings para at the end of the day, right, you will be able now to personalize those settings, customize those settings, fit sa trading approach, trading style nyo. Alright, clear ba yan, guys? Clear? So, eto, quick, lang tayo, guys. Reminiscing moments. No? So, when we launch the very first version of Shadow Trade Manager, what we have before, di ba? Very simple GUI lang panel. Yung trade panel natin, very simple. Yung entry settings natin, very basic. It's just entry lot size. Kung ano yung lot size na nandun, yun lang din yung susundin ni Shadow Trade Manager. Tapos yung recovery trade engine natin, very linear. Hindi siya as flexible as the current version of Shadow Trade Manager Pro. Tapos what we have for the exits, yun, TP at saka SL, yun lang. Very straightforward. Walang masyadong dynamic exits. And then the good thing lang with the Shadow Trade Manager version 1 is that, of course, I forgot to mention here, the recovery engine. I'm sorry, na-mention na pala, recovery engine. Kagandahan lang with the Shadow Trade Manager version 1 is that it's applicable, no, to different platforms, Windows PC and then Mac OS. Again, for desktop lang siya, guys. For computers, walang mobile versions simply because the mobile versions are not supporting mga expert advisors or mga program softwares, no? In the future, if mga tablets, mga Android, mga iPhones, mobile apps will be able to support na mga programmable trading softwares, then for sure we will be able to come up with such, no? But for now, yun nga lang, it's only desktop version. So ito yung mga very basic settings we have during the early version. So I would like to ask, sino dito yung mga early adopter? Pa-type naman dyan 10. Right? I want to see those early adopters. Kasi hindi siya, Shadow Trade Manager was evolving or was able to evolve because of your feedbacks also. For example, Ma'am Pinky nag-request ng strategy tester, 'di ba? I can clearly recall si Mighty, bro. Oh, siya mismo yung nag-ask if there's a way to reduce exposure during high-level trades. Doon ako napaisip na, you know what, we have that feature kay Didikila. Maybe it's a good feature na madagdag sa Shadow Trade Manager, which is, as you mentioned, something na you're very, very, na-appreciate with the current versions, no? And so, what I'm trying to say is, you continuously using it and providing feedback makes Shadow Trade Manager more evolved. Mas better siya. Kaya naging pro version na yan right now because of your feedbacks. Okay? So, an ask lang, especially sa mga early adopters natin, huwag kayong mahiya. Sa loob ng Traders PH app, we have our dedicated STM group chats. So feel free to raise your feedbacks there or suggestions. Kung ano pang features or settings na gusto nyo madagdag natin with Shadow Trade Manager. Because na-mention namin kanina, sobrang dami nang nadagdag, but we're not done yet. Okay? We can look forward for more valuable settings. Okay, so with our current version, Shadow Trade Manager Pro na tayo, guys, version 3.21 na tayo, okay? I just recently posted the update sa Shadow Trade Manager version 3.21 with the details dun sa GC natin sa Traders PH app. So what we have right now, before, 'di ba? Very simple basic entry settings lang. Right now dynamic na siya. So if you want Shadow Trade Manager to increase your lot size automatically or reduce your lot size automatically based sa balance mo, that can be done now. And then we now have 4 mode, advanced recovery engine. Before, isa lang, very straightforward lang. Right now we have like fix, we have incremental, we have the aggressive martingale, and even manual multiplier mode, no? For those na gustong mag-set ng sarili lang multiplier. And we have, eto na-mention na ni Coach John, tier-based drawdown reduction. Okay, isa-isahin natin to later on. And eto, isa sa mga game changers natin, guys, mobile trade auto pickup. So meaning, if you're on the go, nasa labas ka, nagko-commute, may trabaho, may meeting, but nakita mo, nasa resistance si Pound AUD, I wanna sell, then you can enter your trade sa mobile phones mo and expect Shadow Trade Manager Pro to detect that trade and manage it for you. So si Shadow Trade Manager Pro na ang maglalagay ng initial TP mo, magti-trigger ng recovery trades, any settings na kung anong sinet mo there, susundin niya. Alright? And then, of course, yung strategy tester. So if you want to test your own strategy, or if you want to look back and review paano nyo pa mas mamamanage properly yung trades na sa tingin nyo pangit yung outcome, gusto nyo makita if you're going to change the settings, mas magiging better ba yung outcome, then eto yung sagot there. Strategy tester. You're able to test your own strategy risk-free. Alright? So, eto yung command center natin. Right now, di ba, very simple lang yung GUI panel natin before, but right now we were able to improve it in a significant way. So we have it can collapse and expand. All right, nandito na rin yung mga trading buttons natin, and yung trading info panel natin mas madami na rin nakikita para alam natin ano yung tinitrade natin, ano yung money manage mode, naka-fix ba tayo, naka-auto lot size, ano yung position natin, ano yung PNL, ano yung entry lot size na na-set natin. All those settings, even recovery and exit, nandyan na siya lahat. Okay? Sa future release natin, we're looking at adding more para kung ano yung settings na naka-enable, makikita dito lahat. For example, auto drawdown management, right now, hindi natin nakikita if naka-enable ba siya. Mobile pickup features, hindi natin makikita. So, yan yung isa sa ma-expect natin na madadagdag sa information panel natin. Okay, again, this is our trade panel. Now, entry lot size, settings, mga pending order distance, and even custom trade comment. Meaning, you can customize your trade comment. Gusto natin lagyan there, John's trade or Jay's trade or Dorothy's trade. So, pwede mong lagyan para alam mo, ito yung trade ko with this current strategy. Or sabihin natin, you have 2 distinct strategies, okay? And then trading in one account, right? So gusto mong lagyan there, okay, this is pullback trading, or ito naman breakout trading. So you can input their trade comment para if nasa mobile phone kayo, makikita yung mga trade comment, alin dito yung trades associated with the specific strategy. Right? And we also have this, again, mentioned kanina, money management matrix. So we have auto scales na. So sabihin natin, you want to set, gusto mo si Shadow Trade Manager will increase your lot size with a setting of 0.1 per 1,000, no? Okay, so if you have 10,000 now, ano yung magiging first entry mo? It will now become 0.10 automatic yun. You're not changing now the entry lot size kasi you enable the balance ratio. And also para sa mga conventional traders there, no? Yung mga pumapasok with one entry and then gusto nila may SL tsaka may TP, we also have this feature percentage risk. So you just have to set your stop loss, guys. And then Shadow Trade Manager will be able to automatically calculate ano yung magiging lot size nyo with that stop loss distance based sa entry nyo. Alright? So kaya nang ma-calculate ni Shadow Trade Manager ano yung appropriate lot size mo with that stop loss distance. Very crucial lang is maglalagay ka ng stop loss there. Okay? And then lot size will be automatically calculated na. And of course, we have our magic engine, magic number engine, very, very important for Shadow Trade Manager to track your trades. Next, we have the recovery engine sa mga shadow technique users. Okay, this is very, very familiar. So sabihin natin you had your first buy entry, you zoom out sa higher time frame, nakikita mo, okay, my buy position is still valid. You don't want to exit your trade. Instead, you want to tawag dito place recovery trades, no? So entry 2 here, entry 3 and entry 4. So that's basically the idea of recovery engine. Very, very effective for mean reverting pairs, guys. Okay, this is one of the best ways to trade mean reverting pairs talaga. Okay? Now, for the multiplier modes, we have 4 modes. We have fixed. So if gusto nyo 01, 01, 01, 01 hanggang entry 4, that will work. Okay, incremental, ito yung default natin kasi ito yung ginagamit natin with shadow technique. So 01, 02, 03 and then 04. And then every time it opens recovery trades, the average TP naman nag-a-adjust automatically. Now we have the aggressive martingale, guys. If you know how to effectively use martingale, feel free to do so. But for the new traders, beginner traders, avoid this at all costs. No, if you don't understand the risk behind using martingale multiplier, okay, just skip this one. Now we have naman our experienced traders. Gusto nila sila mismo yung magde-decide ano yung magiging lot size multiplier nila. So you can set it at 1, 1, 2, 2, meaning 0, 1 here, 0, 1, and then 0, 2, 0, 2 sa entry 4. Okay, it's all up to you. And then lastly, part of our risk management, we have a safety cap. So meaning, you are able to set max trades, guys. Okay, sabihin natin sa pound AUD, gusto nyo, sell trades maximum 5 lang. So sa settings there, max trades, just place there 5, and Shadow Trade Manager will prevent opening recovery trades just in case aakyat pa si pound AUD. Okay, that's the idea of max trades. And then eto naman for the exits. Okay, we have 3 zones. Yung core zones natin, zone 1, the core exits. So Shadow Trade Manager will set initial TP for the first trade and then recovery average TP for the moment mag-start na yung recovery trades, and then stop loss. If you want to set stop loss per trade, you can do so also. And then we have zone 2 naman, the dynamic exit. So if you want to activate the break-even stop loss, yung mga trailing natin, guys, trailing based on pip size, or if you want to trail based on the high and low of the candle, so 2 modes yung trailing natin, feel free to choose. If you're not sure ano yung best there, I suggest you can use the strategy tester and see ano yung magiging effect if you just use the pip distance or the point distance versus the candle high and low tracking. Okay, sa candle high and low tracking, this is more for price action. Okay, also you can enable or disable bar close. Okay, so we have this user, no? He wants to trade the bounce as fast as possible. So yung ginagawa niya, dinidisable na niya yung bar close recovery. So for example, every time, okay, draw tayo konti. So the moment mag-drop fast, tapos eto, ano na, 35 pips. So ayaw niyang mag-wait na mag-close yung 15-minute candle. Gusto niya mag-trigger right away. The moment ma-hit yung 35 pips or 350 points na recovery trigger. Okay? Kasi gusto niya the moment ma-trigger, mag-bounce agad, go close niya agad. Alright? So you can also do that for as long as yung strategy nyo, for as long as you know the risk. However, yung default natin dito, bar close entry tayo, guys. Why? Because during our backtesting optimization phase during the past years, yun yung mas effective risk management wise. Okay. However, if you want to trade fast, you want recovery trades to get triggered fast without waiting for the bar close or the bar closure. Okay, for as long as you understand the risk, you can also do that. Okay. What's important is you know na may option there na pwede mong ma-disable or you enable yung bar close. And then lastly, zone 3, ito yung emergency exit natin. So sabihin natin you have $1,000 and gusto mo, you just want to risk $100 there. So what you can do is to enable drawdown auto close. Okay? And then sa drawdown auto close, there's two options. We have dollar amount or percentage. Okay, sabihin natin, you just want to risk $100, lagay nyo lang doon, $100. The moment mag-draw down $100, all trades sa chart, i-close niya. Okay, matitira sa iyo 90%, which is $900. Okay, so either you choose dollar amount or percentage. So sabihin natin, you want to risk, out of your $500, you want to risk 50% maximum na yon. So you can set there 50% of your balance. So the meaning if mag-draw down ng $250, automatic i-close ni Shadow Trade Manager all trades on that chart. Okay? That's part of risk management. Kasi 'di ba, especially for those na gumagamit ng shadow technique strategy. Sa shadow technique kasi, we're using, 'di ba? Yung approach natin is recovery trades instead of price stop loss. Okay, which yun yung ginagamit sa mga conventional trading. So, sa shadow technique, wala tayong price stop loss, but what we have is equity stop loss or equity cut loss. So the reason, if nakita nyo yung shadow technique onboarding, especially yung 2026 lot sizing suggestion natin there, makikita mo dun sa table na maximum pinaka malaking equity cut loss na pwedeng maset is 50%. Okay? We avoid risking the whole capital there as much as possible. Okay? However, we know naman some of the traders, yung ginagawa nila, naglalagay sila ng $500. Yung $500, they're willing to risk everything kasi calculated risk na nila yon. And yung $500 nila is just what? 1-2% of their total risk capital. So that's one of the approach na ginagawa nila na maglalagay sila ng 500, they're going to trade it in an aggressive manner. Okay, once matalo yung 500, they're just risking 1-2% of their total risk capital. Okay, kasi yung 500 calculated na nila yun. Alright? Okay, next, eto guys, one of the game changers, drawdown reduction. This is an advanced partial exit. We have 3 tiers. Sa tier 1, the moment, okay, the idea of drawdown reduction is the moment sabihin natin, no? Nag-sell, okay, I think mas better yung example ng buy, mas madaling maintindihan especially for new traders. Okay, so buy here, buy. So sabihin, 5 levels, right? Now, gusto natin i-reduce yung total exposure natin or total lot size open. Okay? So, yung gusto nating mangyari is the moment mag-pull back konti, okay? The moment mag-pull back konti, gusto nating i-close yung peak tsaka yung bottom. Okay? Meaning to say, may iiwan 2 trades na lang for this example and yung total lot size exposure mo liliit. So yung drawdown mo liliit din. Alright? And then the moment mag-drop ulit, mag-open ulit ng recovery trade. Right? The moment pullback, retrace, i-close niya rin pick and bottom. So that's the idea of drawdown reduction. Okay, so we have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Okay, so sa tier 1, you set points profit. So sabihin natin, if you combine the peak and the bottom and then nag-profit na yun, 10 pips, 15 pips, i-close niya na. Right? That's the idea. Okay, close pa din siya in a profit. Okay, sa tier 2 naman, this is based on percentage gain. So if you set there 1% gain, so sabihin natin, sa $500 account mo, 1% there is $5, no? So if Shadow Trade Manager will combine the peak and the bottom trades and nag-gain ka na $5, i-close niya yon. Alright? So, i-close niya, liliit yung drawdown mo, liliit yung total exposure mo. And then lastly, step 3, the tier 3 naman natin is if the peak trade, minimum nito guys is 0.02. Yung gagawin niya, the peak and the bottom, if i-slice yung lot size, no? So instead of 0.02, magiging 50% ng 0.2 is 0.1. So 0.1 lot size combined with the bottom trades, if yung gain there is equivalent to like 10 pips or 15 pips, i-close niya din. So may partial close na with tier 3. Again, I think mas better if makita nyo yung example. So this is the recent pound CAD trades. Dito yung first entry. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Umabot na ng 9 levels. Okay? So when we enable the drawdown reduction, kahit konting pullback lang, okay, nag-close na siya. Etong trades na there. Okay? Nagbaba ulit. So another trades close. Okay, that's the idea of drawdown reduction. Okay? And then we also have filters. Okay? So one of the reports na na-receive natin, minsan, especially during the first trading hour of the day, di ba? Sobrang lalaki ng mga spreads. Okay? One of the feedback na na-receive natin, minsan nag-open ng trade, tapos pangit yung price. So what we did, we enable by default yung spread filter tsaka yung slippage filter. Alright? Now, we also have this live settings overlay, meaning to say, if you have an open trades and then you adjust these settings, the moment you click OK, it will be applied immediately sa open trades mo. Right? Okay? So yung mga multiplier mode, recovery interval, max trades, automatic yan na-apply if you're going to change the trades mid-flight. Okay? So there's no need to restart Shadow Trade Manager. Eto, one of the game changers, okay? Shadow Trade Manager now is ano na siya, may pagka-mobile friendly na siya. So you open your trade sa phone mo anywhere. All right? So you're not tied sa mga desk natin. So if naka-commute ka, nasa office ka, if you open a position, all right? Shadow Trade Manager will be able to detect your manual trades. All your manual trades, guys, okay? Whether you open 1, 2, 3 trades of that specific currency, kaya yang ma-detect ni Shadow Trade Manager and i-adjust niya yung TP, recovery TP. If you enable trailing, if you enable drawdown reduction, yun ma-apply. Right? So yung mga recovery sequence, auto-trigger yan. Kahit yung entry mo galing sa mobile phone. Right? Maganda ba yun, guys? Maganda ba yun? Alright? So this is actually one of the, mas nagiging convenient na si Shadow Trade Manager because of this feature. Okay, and then we also have the risk-free strategy tester support. Okay, so if ipaparan mo si Shadow Trade Manager sa strategy tester ng MT5 terminal, so makikita mo dito backtest mode. Okay? And then you can click buy, sell, set your limit orders, set your stop orders. Okay? And then makikita mo paano yung galaw, ano yung magiging outcome ng trades mo. Okay? And then also cross-platform and multi-chart support. So whether you're using Mac, okay, Shadow Trade Manager will be able to detect kung ano yung platform mo. Okay? And automatically switch, adjust yung interface. Also, Shadow Trade Manager supports multiple charts. Okay? So kahit gaano kadami pa yung charts na i-open mo, Shadow Trade Manager will be able to manage those per chart. Alright? And then of course, makikita mo may mga visual lines. For example, this one, di ba? This is the TP line. So if you're going to drag this, Shadow Trade Manager will respect that. I-adjust din niya yung magiging TP mo at SL. So this is very convenient, especially if madami ka ng trade levels. Instead of changing the TP per level, no, you just have to select this unified TP line, and then you adjust the line, and then all trades, all TP ng trades, ng even the recovery trades, auto-adjusted na. And then we also have orphan recovery, no? Just in case na-close nyo yung chart, na-close accidentally si MT5, nag-crash si MT5, okay, wag mag-alala, you just open your MT5 and just rechart that currency pair or that open trades, and then Shadow Trade Manager will be able to detect that open trade. And then kagandahan guys, yung kaka-release natin na version 3.21, right? Default template now is applied properly. So hindi nyo na makikita yung magic number conflict error. At the same time, kagandahan is if you have an open trade, okay, na may magic number, tapos na-close nyo yung chart unintentionally, the moment you rechart that pair na guys, Shadow Trade Manager version 3.21 will be able to detect that open trade na. Okay, automatic, madidetect niya na and automatic mamamanage niya na yung trades niya. Kasi right now, yung old way natin is, di ba, open the chart, you attach Shadow Trade Manager, and then you adjust or change the magic number. Right now, on this case of version 3.21, the moment you rechart, Shadow Trade Manager now has that ability to auto-detect those open trades and i-manage niya automatically. Okay, so we're making Shadow Trade Manager as efficient and as convenient as possible. Alright, eto as a summary, dami kong pinagsasabi. Alright, to summarize lang, okay, sa entry and sizing natin, we have those fixed lot size, yung money management natin, yung magic number, auto-generation, mga pending order distance, and sa recovery natin, we have 4 modes: fixed, incremental, martingale, manual, the bar close feature, the max trades, and then sa protection and exits naman natin, initial TP, recovery, average TP, hard SL, mga break-even triggers, trailing, drawdown, auto-close, nandun siya. And then advanced controls, drawdown reduction, mga spread and slippage filters, and lastly, the mobile trade auto pickup feature natin. And so with Shadow Trade Manager Pro, guys, you focus on the strategy and then let us handle the execution of the trade management through Shadow Trade Manager Pro. All right. Okay, I guess that ends.
Yan. So, alam ko
Portion.
dumugo yung ilong nyo sa lahat ng sinabi ni Jay.
Especially sa mga new
Kaya,
beginners,
oo.
guys.
Kaya ang plan namin dyan is on a monthly basis, we will explain you in each detail. But
Correct. Plus the one-on-one
the-
support, brother.
yeah, that's one of the support. And that's the reason why also we shift also na if hindi mo kayang i-set up, okay, bibigay ni Jay schedule niya. Si Jay mismo, the author of it, you can book to him. Actually, initially this month lang yan. Depends on magiging direction. You can book him for a 30-minute call about,
Yes.
okay, Coach Jay, ito yung gusto kong mangyari. Ito yung gusto kong strategy. Sulat ko na. Ito yung gusto kong ganito. Pag nakakita ko ng Shadow 5, ito yung ano ko. Anong mga settings na gagawin kong recommended mo?
Yes.
Pam, turuan ka na yan. Coach Jay, gusto kong mag-VPS. Bumili ng VPS. Ayoko na lang nasa bahay lang siya kasi wala ako sa dorm palagi. Di ba? Ano ba marirecommend mo sa VPS on that? O baka pwede akong magrenta sa inyo ng VPS. O pwede mga ganun pwedeng, ewan ko paano. Pero the point is, nandyan yung one-on-one support for free. Okay, for free. And imagine mo of all of this only happened for this year. Alright, this year. And ang kagandahan kasi dito, the reason why we are pushing, kasi sa totoo lang, it's easy na lang eh. Copy trade na lang kayo sa amin. Kami na bala. Di ba? Pwede di ba? Okay, sige. Shadow Pro is not in FF Fund. It's very easy to do that. But why we are upgrading this? Because part of Traders PH culture values is member host. We want you to grow. We want you to have your own
Member
style.
Exactly.
Oh, we want you to be excellent as you are. Kasi we believe that you are the money machine eh. 'Di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng sariling diskarte. Mas bilib pa nga ako sa anak ni Miss Dorothy. Mas ang gaganda ng performance, 'di ba? May mga
Tama,
nagsha-shadow
tama.
users. 'Di ba? Ang point ko doon is yung potential mo ba hindi mo lang nakikita. And andito lang kami to support you. So yung mga request na, na pinapakita, example, the strategy tester, hindi ko nga alam yung meron pala. So yung strategy tester is, ito yung settings ko. Ito yung pair na iti-trade ko. I-test mo nga ano magiging result.
Yes. Yes.
Diba?
brother.
May imagination kang ganun eh, no? Pag ganito yung nangyayari, may imagination ka kasi nagsha-shadow technique ka na, diba? Tapos nagsha-shadow pro ka pa. Ito yung mataas na drawdown ko before eh. Example, odd NZD. O
Tama.
ngayon, GBP odd. I'm sure may mali kang ginawa sa GBP odd as a normal shadow technique user or gusto mong i-adjust. Balik ka sa shadow trade tester. Ano kaya magandang approach on that?
Yun.
Pero to me setting, bam. Okay. So pag ganito pala yung itsura ni shadow technique at nagkaroon ng ganitong drawdown, ito yung next kong gagawin. O di mas kumita ka more, mas natuto ka more.
Exactly.
So andyan lang yung mga different settings na you can play around so that it can support you to become more profitable on a most relaxed way. Nasa cellphone ka, naka-preset na siya. At natututo ka. Kaya, yung mga terms na maintindihan niyo yan as you go along. Basta, ano nyo lang niyo muna yung UI, then from there na siya. Diba? So, basically, parang, ang dami mo natututunan at the end of the day, kumikita ka pa.
Tama.
Diba? With the Shadow Pro. Now, ito yung pinaka-exciting part. Yung mga nag-stay, may bonus yan. O kanina 65 tayo eh, di ba? 65 tayo. Ito yung exciting part. Next slide mo na ba yung pricing, Jay?
Ay, wala pa.
Okay. So,
Wait lang, ha?
ganito. Alright. So ngayon, nasa full, sabi nga ni Jay, malayo pa. Pero actually, we're already, alayo natin nang gawa last year. Ito yung pinaka malupit na way dyan. Pinaka malupit na news na ayokong ma-miss out nyo tonight. One is we released it initially for those who wanted to trust the Traders PH excellence, technology, na when we release the Shadow Trade Manager, we really make sure that it will be valuable for them because they committed earlier. Alright? So that being said, sobrang laking discount yung binigay namin sa kanila during that time. Kasi we use the funds to upgrade it more. We use the funds to support the app. Ito yung mga ginagamit nyo ngayon, right? We use the funds to hire more support, more coaches probably, or more customer support on the back end. No? So as we improve the program. So we use those funds for that. Yun yung pinaka-privilege ng mga nag-early adopter. So kung yung early adopter, hindi ka pa nag-renew, ipapakita ni Jay yung renew. But ito yung isa. So yung mga yung nag-type kanina na walang Shadow Pro, may good news at bad news. Ano gusto niyo unahin ko? Ready na ba yun, Jay? Ready na ba? Yung slide. Ano gusto niyo? Good news or bad news? Alright. Sinong mga hindi pa nakatapos sa Shadow certification? Okay. Kung Shadow user ka pa, hindi ka pa nakatapos sa certification na course, at nandito ka, nagsha-shadow ka, tapusin mo na yan. Yung Shadow certification course. Kasi yung Shadow Pro, with the latest version, it has a discount na same sa mga early adopter last year, July. And July tayo, 1 year na yan. Anniversary niya actually. Now, ang bad news is this. Ang bad news. Unahin doon natin yung bad news. Wala na yung discount na yan by Sunday. 3 days lang yung binigay talaga namin discount. Okay. Kasi, 15% na lang yan bibigay namin sa mga certification course. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-bad news doon. So, kung hindi ka pa ready mag-commit ngayon, it's okay, but the value is there. The value is there. Actually, hindi naman kami greedy na sobrang mahal na binibenta. May nakita kong presentation kanina is copy trading, 30,000. Ano ba yan? Magbababa siya copy trading to, 30,000. Indicator, 100,000. Total value, 150,000. Ganun ka mamahal. With us, we give first the value and then we agree on the price that we have on the heart na alam namin kaya nyo. Kasi, for example, yung client ko when I present this personally, when he saw na wala ko bigyan ng discount, bibiling ko yun ng 28,000. Ganun siya kasi alam niya yung value. Alright? Now, the good news is, ito yung good news. Alright? Yung mga magre-renew, you will still be locked in on the price that you had last year. So, congratulations sa mga nag-early adapter. Andyan sa, ready na. Congratulations. Okay? Now, yung mga gusto pang humabol, ang good news din, you have until Sunday. Kasi by Monday, naka-automate na siya sa system ni Traders PH na magiging 15% discount. So yung mga mapapasok in the future for Traders PH, they will still get the same value but with the lesser discount. Okay, the lesser discount. Kasi we opt for that para maka-invest ka more for the value na meron siya sa loob. Jay, can you show the slide? Yan. Okay. So, kung natapos mo na yung certification course, this slide will give you, ito ba yung discount code?
Yes, ano to? Discount code. Tara STM36.
STM36. Okay? So, STM36, we extended it until Sunday. Okay?
Na lang.
With the benefit, if you're an old user, you can still lock in. May receive kang email, i-lock in mo na yan kasi extended pa yung price mo plus wala ka na kailangan gawin. Alright? Now, kung dito sa mga magbago pa, you have until Sunday for that. Kasi by Monday, pre-automate na yan when you finish the certification course, may marireceive ka certificate, 15% discount lang yung makukuha. Wala na siya. Wala na talaga siya. Then, kasi before to binigyan namin 30 days. O kung matapos mo yung certification course, you have 30 days to avail the STM. Then, may good news pa naman yan moving on. Okay? So, that being said, don't wait that chance. Wag mo na, kahit hindi mo pa nagamit yan, sabi ko nga sino ba may nakausap ako? Sabi niya, coach, hindi ko pa nagamit kasi hindi ko alam yung setup. Sabi ko, walang problema. Kung nakuha mo naman ng sobrang mura, pag na-setup mo na, ni-renew mo, pag hindi mo nabawi, ako magbabayad. Basta mag-trade ka. Okay? Basta mag-trade ka. Ako magbabayad. Kasi sobrang, I'm sure, mababawi mo yung subscription. Dahil, syempre, dapat sakto yung capital related to that. Hindi naman syempre $200. Hindi mo talaga mababawi yung subscription. Okay? Tara, STM. JJ, do you have the price?
Yes, pakita ko, din ako, screen share ko na lang din.
Yan.
Paano nila ma-avail if they wish to.
Correct.
Kita na ba, bro? Kita naman?
Yes,
Ayan.
kita na.
Okay,
Correct.
So, guys, login kayo dito sa natin, Traders PH web app.tradersph.com. Right? And then, scroll down sa baba, makikita nyo dong Shadow Trade Manager card. Click nyo lang dyan. And then you click subscribe. Right? You choose the annual. Okay, so yung regular niya is $399 yan. Okay, $399 yan siya. If you click continue now, lagay nyo dito yung promo code. So, Tara STM 36 apply. Okay,
Yun.
so lalabas 255 na lang siya, guys. Instead of the 400. And then,
correct.
Pili lang kayo, GCash, Maya, and then you upload lang the screenshot of the payment, and then you click continue. That's it. Then, i-validate na lang yan, give us at least 2 days.
That's 1 year. So, lalabas siya 15,706. Actually, sabi ko, inuna ko lang kay masterclass people. Sabi ko, oy, unahin nyo na to kasi talaga Monday, wala na to. Okay. 43 pesos a day. So, pag sabihin, magkano yan? 43 pesos a day is like $1 a day.
$1 a day.
Kahit naka-cent account ka pa dyan, I'm sure kaya mong kumita na $1 a day.
Tama. Okay, so that's how you avail lang, guys. All right. Again, Traders PH web app.tradersph.com. Also, si Ma'am Dorothy may shinare na apply here. You can also follow that. It will just lead you pa din sa Traders PH web app. Okay, make sure na yung na-login nyo na email, yung registered email nyo.
Yeah. So basically yun guys, we are serious on this kasi we are also serious from last year na the price of the early adopters is this much. Tapos we are also serious na improve namin siya by the end of the year magiging 399 na siya. Okay, but since for those na tumatapos ng mga certification course, binigyan namin ng premium 30 days, bigyan ka namin 36. Magiging 15 siya day, 'di ba? Decided
Yes.
nung 15. Nung nakalock na ka-program na siya hanggang Sunday. Ganun yung mangyayari. Yun yung isa na while we are improving it. So as long as subscribe ka, you get all the benefits ng future programs of STM. Kasi kahit tumaas pa siya ng price niya in the future, lock in ka dyan. Basta naka-renew ka parang ito mga early adopters or mga people na mga yan. So until Sunday lang talaga siya, guys. So kung hindi pa kaya, okay lang kasi kahit na bumalik siya ng 15%, sulit pa din siya. Wala akong nakikitang program na nabili ko in the past na naging sobrang profitable ako ng ganyan 43 pesos a day. Wala talaga. Okay? Kami ni Jay, mahilig kami bumili ng kung ano-ano. Okay, indicator. Kami, kasi ako talagang hindi ako natatakot bumili. May mga bumibili kami ng kung ano-ano.
We believe in investing for experience and knowledge, guys.
Correct. May mga nagastos ako, even example sabihin natin mga mga web-based na technology, 200,000, 300,000, like napunta lang siya sa junk. With 43 pesos a day, it can give you more money in your bank using the strategy of shadow, plus it makes you more relaxed.
Actually.
Sulit. Diba? Now, the minimum capital, suggestion ko, $2,000. Alright, $2,000.
Para mas mabilis ma-offset, guys, yung subscription fees if yun yung concern nyo. However, if gusto nyo lang naman, if you see it as like an investment for learning and experience, then whether you get it and sabihin natin tawag dito in the least likelihood na scenario na hindi kayo naging profitable, okay, you will still have that learning kasi baon nyo siya.
Correct. So kung hindi ka pa member, ito pinaka-suggestion ko, shadow ka muna. Huwag mong isipin yung discount. Huwag mong madali, no, may discount, bibiling ko na yan. Shadow ka muna. You learn to shadow.
Yes.
Okay, libre lang naman kasi shadow. You can be profitable with shadow alone. Alright? Yung in-explain ko lang kanina, ililimit lang niya, binapadali pa niya more si STM. Sa dami ng features niya. Shadow ka muna, invest your capital there. Wala kang ilalabas na pera. Aralin mo how shadow technique works. Andito kami para kagabayan ka. Then wag mo isipin. Kasi kaya mo nang bilhin kahit walang discount. Di ba?
Tama.
Oh, parang walang discount. Sus, kinita ko lang shadow yan last month. Oh, ito na. Di ba? Oh, wag mo isipin yun, yung discount. This discount actually initially because we are preparing for the payment channels. Kasi ngayon parang manual pa ngayon kasi yung payment channels wala. Since the payment channel is there, we are actually eliminating the discount as we go along. So papalitan naman namin ng service. So wag yung the good news is mas pagagandahin pa yung service. Babawiin namin doon. Okay?
And-
Pero if you think na mag-STM ka in the next 3 months, i-advance mo na ngayon. Example, di mo pa alam paano gamitin. Di at least na-push ka to learn it. Na-push ka to learn more. Mabilisan yung aral mo ng shadow para kumita ka. Bilisan yung aralin yung STM na sobrang dali lang naman niya. Kasi isa-set mo lang naman siya, tapos na siya. Yun lang. Okay, tapos mag-shadow ka na lang ulit. If you see it that way, then you still get that discount lifetime. Alright, basta i-renew mo lang. Good news ba yon? Type 999 on the chat box. Yan. Yun na, binibigyan ka ng chance. So, okay lang basta kumita ka. If feeling mo Pa-feeling ko pang STM ako para gusto ko matuto pero madali. Avail the discount at 36 kesa the 15% asigualong. Okay? Sige, go ahead. May gusto ka sabihin.
May question dito si Cherrycell. Cherrycell, wait lang. Let me screen share lang. I think eto wait lang. Screen share ko lang to para ma-check ni Cherrycell ano yung status ng niya, shadow technique na request.
Ay, papaano
Cher-
natin yan?
Oo.
Papa-bypass
Cherrycell,
natin yan mamaya.
yeah, correct. Cherrycell, if nasa Traders PH web app ka, okay, back ko lang, you click shadow and then may makikita ka dito yung status ng yung status ng request mo. Click mo lang yung more details. Makikita mo there ano yung status niya. At the same time, you can chat sa staff. Also, if you prefer sending email, please send an email to support. Type ko lang here, support@tradersph.com. Alright. You can also email that. Okay, so either you chat through the web app or send an email. We will be able to check it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Mm,
So,
okay,
ano yung tinitingnan mo, Jay?
sorry, the questions kasi may mga nag-chat ng questions.
Okay.
Oh.
Sige, so agree, STM talaga future, may bank transfer. Yes, may bank transfer. Maya, or you can email us, Eloisa. Pero I can give it to you now. Gusto mo ibigay ko sa'yo ngayon? I think ito yata yung bank. Memorize ko
Pero
na
I think
yung bank account.
most banks, they are able to, they have that ability na to scan the QR. So yung
Actually,
QR ng GCash, tsaka yung Maya, Eloisa, you can try to scan. However, if I'm not mistaken, nasa Japan ka. if I remember it right, one of the,
yeah.
So I'm not sure kung pwede siya. Kaya ba yun, bro? Kung nasa Japan, tapos nasa, scan mo yung QR code. That lang, I'm not so sure.
Not sure kung sa gano'ng ka-advance ang Pilipinas sa bank transfer.
Yeah. But guys, so we're improving the
Hindi na namin
payment
kasalanan
method.
yung joke lang. Okay. Yeah.
Sige, Eloisa, no problem.
So basically, the schedule for the additional bonus, if example kaya may mga piniem na ako personally, example, guys, you can also message me. I will also give a weekly basis kasi si Jay talaga yung pinakaalam na STM eh. So even may personal STM siya nga nag-i-install, okay? Okay. But as much as I can, tutulungan ko rin kayo. I'm also here to also ask you, I also give some of my schedule to the STM team starting next week. You can also book a call to me. Example, anong binibiling VPS, paano mag-install, if you need that. I also spend some time, especially yung mga hindi nagamit yung STM or hindi pa nagagamit or gustong gumamit. I'll also give some of my time with the STM or anong settings
Nice.
ba, paano ba yung ganyan. I can teach you for a 30-minute call on that. Of course, limited lang siguro mga 2-3 a week kaya ko. But si Jay for now, the author himself,
Yes.
will give his schedule. So
Next week,
Jake,
guys,
yeah.
mag-i-email na kami ng booking details. Yes. Make sure to check it. All right?
Correct. Yeah. So that's how kind of support that we wanted to give. Gusto namin maintindihan nyo para ma-maximize nyo. Kasi sayang eh. Kung ano yung challenges nyo din, at least ma-provide namin yung example. Sabihin natin, gusto mo talaga STM pero talagang technologically challenge ka. Then we will try to solve that for you.
Yes.
Okay? So we find ways like BDO. Alright, so ito talaga, that is mapapag-usapan namin, may meeting namin every Monday. Ito yung challenge ni Sir Roger para natin support. Wala pa to sa services natin yun, pero how do we support him? Ganon. So we can top you. Now, again, the highlight here is by Monday, it's a shadow certification course for the future users, a 15% discount na lang siya. Okay, magagamit po ba ang VPS coach? Yes, gamit na gamit yan ng VPS. Okay, gamit na gamit.
Anywhere
yan.
around
It's a good
the globe
investment.
magwo-work yung VPS.
True. Correct. Alright, so may advisable ba separate account for STM tapos different live account di shadow lang? Depende. But kung example ako, meron akong shadow pa hanggang ngayon na hindi ko pa fully on STM. Depende on how you transition. Kung hindi ka pa ganun kasigurado on the how STM work, you can separate it
Ano?
better.
Kasi baka nasanay, 'di ba, for the past years na manual lang talaga tapos okay naman, 'di ba?
Yeah, so it depende kung how you want. Pero if you want to fully transition, malalak talaga yung time. Mawawalan ka, maraming time na ma-unlock sa'yo. Kasi wala ka nang gagawin. Once you have the STM. Okay, where to put the ST Patara 36?
Oo, I think, okay, back ko lang. Ito, click subscribe, choose annual guys, continue, and then ito yung promo code, apply. Type nyo lang dito, then apply, click apply.
Ito, si Jinky, oh. Tara, TYGBP drawdown reduction gamit na gamit. Grabe. Tapos di ba sobrang relax? Ako din eh. Ako nga ngayon. Parang nagtipili naman siya ng $300 eh. Nakakatuwa eh. Ito, magagamit coaches, ilan open trades bago ideally turn on yung DD management? Sige, I'll answer this while you're dyan, Jay, ha? For
Yes,
DD
sir.
management, pinaka-importante dyan is what is your rule? Okay, so ako kasi rule ko, if I reach a 15%, then I turn it on. If I reach a 20% and then I turn it, and I reach a 25%, na ako dyan, break even or stop loss.
Yung
So gagawa ka ng personal rule na tuturo ko yan sa masterclass. Bakit? Bakit ako 15%? Bakit 20%? Tuturo ko yung capital architecture actually starting this month for the advance ng masterclass. Para when they read the structure, okay, it's really, example, GBP odd or GBP CAD. Diba? Nag-breakout. Mag-auto drawdown management ka na, breakout eh. Diba? You're against the trend already. Kasi binreakout niya resistance. Hindi na siya na mag-mean revert. O di auto drawdown ka na. The small retracement na lang is your opportunity to less your capital protection.
Yep, agree.
So, if the question is, ilang open trades, it's more into how much is your current drawdown by percentage of your total equity. Alright? Now, may talo pa rin yan, ang auto drawdown management. Kung magtuloy-tuloy tumaas. Okay? Kasi wala siyang retracement eh. Ang pambawi mo dun, yung retracement lang. Eh, wala. O, that's where your equity plan cut loss comes in. Pag nag 50%, 40% out. So far, ako personally, never naman nangyari sa akin yun in my 5 years of using Shadow. I never put a cut loss. I never had the opportunity to cut loss. Kasi minamanage ko siya, yung maliit pa lang siya. Ayop nakakatulong yun. So, kung niya paabutin yung cut loss. Gawa na kayo ng rule prior to that. Alright?
And I would like to reinforce that also, Coach John. No? So, as mentioned by Coach John, set rules talaga, guys. Yun yung very, very important talaga. Kasi di ba shadow technique in the first place, it's rules-based, systematic rules-based. And with Shadow Trade Manager, it's systematic and it's also rules-based. So, best if you have your rules and then you program Shadow Trade Manager or adjust the settings na sang-ayon sa na-set mo na rules, guys. So, sabihin natin, as mentioned by Coach John, sabihin natin, nag-breakout talaga, tapos halos sobrang liit lang ng pullback, yung retracement, kahit yung drawdown, auto-drawdown management feature, hindi matitrigger. Worst case scenario, dapat nakaplan na rin ano yung magiging maximum equity cut loss mo. Okay? Just for worst case scenario. Again, lahat nakaplano. Entries, nakaplan. Trade management, nakaplan. We're just making it systematic with Shadow Trade Manager. Exits, nakaplan. So, very, very important, no? Kahit we're using automation, ideally, before we enter the trade, nakaplano na lahat. Something ganun. It's just that sa trade management part, the planning na nagawa na natin, which is preparing, adjusting the settings of Shadow Trade Manager, in place na siya. Alright? And yun na yung susundin ng kung ano man yung trade entries natin.
Correct. So, that makes you actually very profitable at the end of the year. Walang sayang na oras, walang sayang na funds, profit. Because pinalano mo na siya at the start of your journey. Hindi ka magiging emotions kasi pinalano mo na siya. When it happens, pinalano mo na siya. When worse happens, pinalano mo na siya. So that's where we also come in as coaches. But again, at the end of all, dapat may plano ka na. Hindi pwedeng gulatan. So andyan lahat, may shadow calculator, andyan lahat yan, capital equity planning, STM is there to support you in between. Okay? So I hope marami kaming value. Na-appreciate nyo ba tong session na to? Can I have a 999 on the chat box? If gusto nyo ng ganitong more sessions na mas... Ngayon, next time is in detail naman natin. Isang topic lang, focus tayo doon. Ayan. So, sa mga nagstay up until tonight, ayan, maraming salamat. Okay, isa sa mga, ano ko lang muna, mabilis lang. Number 1 is until Sunday na tong STM natin na next week makakatanggap kayo may email. You can book me and Jay to like 30-minute call if may challenge ka on setup or may gusto ka itanong. Makikita mo din yung mga schedules na available. Siyempre, first come, first serve yun. Number 3 is here from Cebu. Kita tayo kung gusto mo ma-enlighten na how Shadow STM works on a mobile phone. I can show it to you. Bio Hotel, 31. August 21 and 22, BGC po tayo, face-to-face. Workshop yun. STM is included there.
Yes.
Okay, STM will be included there. Jay will be there on face-to-face. Okay, so the support patuturuan paano may strategy backtester, yan, yung mga
Bring your
ganyan.
laptop, guys.
Bring your laptop. Yan. Ano ba mga activities natin this month? Actually, yun pala yun. Yan ba? Dami. No? Okay. So, last is, kung gusto mo talagang matutunan yung lahat ng complicated words na yan, pumasok ka sa masterclass. Okay? Yung masterclass will teach you in depth as soon as possible. Hindi ka namin ipapatawid sa advanced classes kung hindi mo maipasa yung basic class. So, sa basic class pa lang, kahit walang STM, kikita ka na. Tapos ilagay mo pa ng STM, Diyos ko Lord, okay. Ewan ko na hindi ka kumita. Okay. Alright? Ewan ko talaga, promise. Okay. Parang walang part of your journey na walang kumita. May masterclass ka na, may STM ka pa, may shadow ka pa. Alright? So parang, tapos tinuruan ka pa ng financial management. Tapos may recharge ka pa every Sunday. Market outlook. Okay, parang wow. Alright. Everything's there. Okay. Nakakatuwa.
Correct.
Yes.
Grabe, guys.
Alright. Okay.
All
Kita
bases
kits.
as much as
Yeah,
possible.
we're covered our bases. Jay, last message before we go?
Parang na-shock ako Hindi ko ready sa Again, guys, siguro yung message.
To inspire them.
Yes. I think if you've been with the community for a long time already, so you will know me as someone, an advocate talaga of automation. Okay? Because for me, with automation, it frees up time, and yung free up time mo, you can use it to a different productive activity. So, for those siguro na bago pa sa trading, hindi talaga may iwasan, you want to be hands-on almost every moment of the day. However, you will reach a point in your life na gusto mong ma-automate kung ano yung pwedeng ma-automate. For example, trade management, and yun yung very goal talaga with Shadow Trade Manager Pro. That's why we're offering it to the Traders PH community. And siguro for those early adopters, especially those early adopters, thank you for the trust. Thank you for aligning with us sa vision na yon. And as mentioned kanina, we're not done yet. So if may mga feedbacks kayo, may mga may naisip kayo na baka maganda tong ilagay sa Shadow Trade Manager, feel free to chat us lang. We have our dedicated chat group inside Traders PH app. And siguro na lang to pang teaser. So we have plans of adding the max levels of Shadow Technique inside Shadow Trade Manager. So makikita nyo na isang chart, makikita nyo ano yung maximum levels ng different pairs. Thanks to Dorothy for the details. At the same time, yung nakikita natin na improvement with Shadow Trade Manager is that mga strategies na pwedeng ma-automate yung trade management, ilalagay na natin there. We have like preset. Okay? For example, Coach Jan may set siya for gold. Ilalagay natin diyan. Coach Lloyd may set siya for limbo strategy. Ilalagay natin dyan. And you just have to select those strategies and those settings, auto-applied na siya. Yan yung isa sa mga future projects pipeline with Shadow Trade
Ay,
Manager. So any strategies?
Sinabi mo na in advance,
Ay, naku,
bro.
sorry.
Okay, sinabi mo na in advance,
kasi-
pati strategy ko.
Yun yung ano guys, yun yung ano natin, goal natin. So,
Tuturo
you
ko
just
muna
select
sa
the
kanila paano
strategies
yun.
there.
Paano yun, no? Di ba?
Correct. Okay, that's the future. We're not done yet. Okay?
Yeah.
Yan from you, brother.
Isi-select mo na lang yung strategy. O, pak, Coach Jan, gold. Boom. Tapos, ito entry, tapos auto management. Sarap na mga ganun. Okay, so mga ganun. Yeah, we will do, actually, yun yung mga pipeline. Kaya sabi ni Jay, it's not done. Kaya pro mode siya. So we're gonna include different settings there. Na malupit dyan yung manual trade mo, auto management na rin yan hanggang saan ang gusto mo. Syempre, gusto namin make sure na profitable yun bago namin nilagay dyan.
Of course.
Okay, diba? Okay, yun yung mga isa doon. Alright, so kaya yung kagandahan dyan. So, ibig sabihin, titingnan mo lang ano yung nakikita namin, you also enter it like us. Baka mas magaling ka pa kaysa sa amin by doing that eventually. So,
Again, di ba? Members growth. One of our
Members
values
growth,
na
members
gusto nating
growth.
i-uphold sa trading community.
Di ba? Okay. May tinetest pa naman ako ngayon, bro.
Ay,
1% drawdown, 30% gain. Pwede yun? Pwede. 1% drawdown, 30% gain? Ay, pwede, bro. Promise. Okay.
Ayos yan.
Pero start mo na demo account.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, it's just a joke, but actually pwede talaga siya. Na-realize, na-envision ko na siya. Kailangan ko lang ilagay yung mind ko dun sa STM. Pag-usapan natin, Jay, tatawagan kita. Alright, so, yan. Anyway, we're done. Sobrang sorry for our target is just only 1 hour since nag-enjoy kami totally. Salamat sa pagsistay. And maraming salamat din for tuning with us and supporting Traders PH. Without you guys, walang app, walang Izanagi, walang Shadow Technique, walang STM.
Correct.
So your support really, we really wanted to thank you for that support because yung mga binabayad nyo eventually paggamit nyo ng broker natin, actually majority goes back to the whole community. And our vision is to become the #1 community in the Philippines where we help traders to really become profitable by paper. Okay, by paper, not on social media. Okay, so that they can achieve financial freedom. So, yun yung gusto namin mangyari sa inyo. Kaya pang 1M talaga siya. Pang 1M parang isang palakpak na parang networking. Salamat. See you again, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Bye, guys.
With the shadow technique since 2022 din. So parang yung shadow technique yung parang nag-jumpstart sa trading career ko. So ang masasabi ko na advantage ng shadow technique, beginner friendly kasi siya. Pwede siya gamitin kahit na wala ka pang deep knowledge with the forex industry. Since sa shadow, ibibigyan tayo ng mga signals ng bot natin when we can trade. And then from there, we just follow kung ano yung mga rules na meron sa shadow technique. Sa 4 years ko na ginagamit yung shadow technique, fortunately, profitable naman siya. So going to 5 years na yung shadow technique namin, it's still nag-i-improve siya, ini-improve siya ng mga coaches natin.
Ang dali lang gamitin ng ng shadow technique kasi literal na susunod lang kayo. Level 5 pataas, tapos yun na, pwede na kayong mag-set ng mga tipin ninyo. Sa katunayan, kahapon lang, Friday, nakapag DP ako sa Pound USD.
Nag-join ako ng Traders PH kasi gusto ko siyang, yung free time ko is meron siyang ma-earn ako ng passive income. So about shadow technique, reliable siya. Makita mo lang yung mga level niya na level 5 and then pwede mo na siyang i-enter tapos meron na siyang take profit. So newbie friendly ng shadow technique. So I really recommend yung shadow technique kasi kumikita ako sa pagsha-shadow ng mga pairs. And aside from that, nag-copy trade din ako ng Izanagi. So to maximize sa traders PH natin, yung mga nandoon. And now after this class natin, magjo-join na rin ako ng STM. And my other cousin, invite ko siya today and she will also enroll to our master class.
Traders